So hello guys, welcome to another video. For today's video, update for my interceptors. Oh my god. Another single freaky. Just kidding. The Team 2, Dome 3, Dome 3, Dome 7, Tidus, Sim, Piv, and Dome 1. Oh my god. It's so rainy for today's day. It's so raining. So rainy. Earlier there's little winds. The Tidus turret is falling out, and the Dome 7, the side spike is destroyed, and what is that? The radar is broken too. I'm gonna fix this later after the rain or tomorrow because it's so wet. And look at the sieve. It's the measurement is gonna be fell out because of the heavy rain. This and this and this and this and that is pretty cool. It's not destroyed. Oh my god. Big, oh my god. I can see it clearly. My god, this is a heavy rain. Look at the after this it's gonna be so dirty. The debris is gonna around the cars. Kinda bad, really bad. Oh my god. Two Dome 1. Dome 3. Oh my god. This one and that one. Two Dome 1. Why are you saying Dome 1? It's Dome 3. It was Dome 3, guys. Two Dome 3. Yeah. So I'm gonna update you guys later. So bye bye. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and bye bye.